Hey class, how you doing? It's Miss Diane. I can't wait to see you. I hope you guys are all staying safe and washing your hands and being home and enjoying this time off with your parents, okay? I miss you guys so much. I can't wait to see you, all your beautiful faces. Today what we're gonna do is we're going on a walk. I'm gonna go on a walk and I'm gonna show you guys different shapes and different colors outside, okay? And then you guys can say the shapes with me, repeat with me, okay? I'll see you in a little bit. We're gonna head out, okay? All right, hey guys, I'm back. I'm gonna start showing you the stuff outside, all right? I'm gonna switch. Hey friends, it's Miss Diane. Look at this big tall tree. Wow, what kind of shape does that look like? Kind of looks like a triangle, don't it? All right, let's keep going. Alright friends, while we're walking, I'm going to show you different shapes and different colors, okay? So I'm taking this video. Maybe you can point out to me some of the different stuff you see during this walk, okay? Alright friends, look what we have. We have a green tree. What does it look like? A triangle, right? Can you say triangle? All right, friends, what do we have here? It says stop. And what color is it? It's red. And does anybody know what shape this is? Remember, we was learning it during circle time. It's a octagon. Can everyone say octagon? Octagon. Look at this, guys. What does it look like? What kind of shape? Can you tell me what that is? It's a circle. And what color is it? Red. All right, let's keep going on our journey. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Ooh, what do we have here? Look at this beautiful purple tree. Flowers and everything. Wow, it looks so beautiful, right? What color is the grass, guys? Let me know what color is the grass. Comment, okay? And what about the sky? Such a beautiful day. How's the weather out? Is it raining out? Is it cloudy out? Or is it sunny? You tell me which it is. All right, my friends, what do we have here? What does it look like? It's a rectangle. All right. Look at that big tree right there. It looks so cool. So tall. Looks so nice. All right, let's see what else we can find out here. I hope you're enjoying the video. Okay, guys, it's getting windy out here. Look at this beautiful, colorful tree. All the pink roses on them. Wow, they're so beautiful. Look, we got another triangle. And it's green. This wind is gonna blow me away. Look at this white tree. So beautiful. And another one, a baby one. Yeah. Oh, look nothing on it. Yeah, look at this rock. How beautiful it is. And, all right, what we got here, my friends? It's a fire hydrant. And what color is it? Can anybody tell me the color? Diana, do you know the color? That's Diana, my daughter. It's yellow. Can you say yellow? Let's go. Ooh. And we have another, who knows what shape? It's a rectangle. And who knows what numbers are on that rectangle? A 3 and a 5. 35. All right. Look at that yellow car. It's so cool. All right. What did I find here? It looks like a... Can you tell me what that looks like? I think it's a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Rectangle. How about this shape? Can you, what does that look like? It's a rock. But it kind of looks like a, let me see. What do you think, guys? I will say an oval. Can you say oval? Oval. All right. What do we have here? It's a blue bouncy ball. And what shape does that look like? Can you say circle? Circle. Blue bouncy ball and circle. And what else we got here? What does that look like? Can anybody guess what shape this is? And what do you do with this shape? It's a circle and a basketball, right? I know lots of my friends love playing with the basketball in the gym and outside, right? What do we have here? Ooh, it's a butterfly. And what color is it? Does anybody know the colors the butterfly has? Yes, can you say purple, blue, yellow, and a little bit of black? All right. And we have another rock. It looks so cool. Yeah. A lot of cool rocks. Look at this, my friends. This is a flower growing right outside of my house. Ooh, the wind is blowing. Look how pretty it looks. It's pink. You see it? Wow, it's very pretty. I like it. Pretty soon, we're going to have lots of pretty flowers growing all around. Outside. Ooh, look at this one. Wow, that one is pretty. That's green and purple. This one is pink. Pretty soon we're gonna have lots of nice things growing. And look at this one I found. Wow, that's a beautiful flower. It's like orange. And then you see the green leaves around it. Wow, that's very pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed the video with me, because I sure enjoyed the video. Well, friends, I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope you guys get outside as much as you can, whether it's in the backyard or front porch, and have some fun and enjoy the air. Okay? Stay safe. I miss you guys all, and I can't wait to see you soon. Okay? I can't wait to see every single one of your faces. Hey friends, we just came in from outside walking. I hope you enjoyed the video and all the shapes. Now we're gonna go wash our hands because we were outside. So now we gotta make sure we take all our germs off our hands for being outside, okay? And then I'm gonna show you a few more shapes inside the house, okay? All right, let's go wash our hands, okay? All right, friends, here we are inside the bathroom. We're gonna go wash our hands, okay? Ready? Turn on your water. Put some soap in your hands. And rub them real good. And we're gonna sing. Remember what song we're gonna sing? We're gonna sing the ABC song. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? And now we rinse it out. Take all the soap out, all the bad germs. Go. We're all done. I'm gonna go dry my hands. And off. All right, friends, I am back, and I have a few more shapes for you guys. And our first shape right here is a, what does that look like? Can you tell me what shape that is? I would say it looks like an oval. Can you say oval? Oval. And what else does it look like? It looks like a football. Can you say football? Football. Who likes football? I know some of my friends love playing football. Every time we go outside, right? What color is the football? Brown with white. All right, that's one of my shapes. Ooh, what do I have here? A nice sweet treat. Do you know what shape this looks like? Can anybody tell me? It's a heart. Can all my friends say heart? Heart. And what color is this heart? Does anybody know the colors? I know we all know our colors. Can you say red? Rojo. Red. Rojo. Okay. This one right here, I'm gonna stand it up. This one we didn't go over in class, so I'm gonna go over it with you now. If you put it down, it kind of rolls, right? And it's more like a shape of a, can you guys guess this shape? If you don't know, it's okay. But I'm gonna tell you what shape it is. It's a cylinder. Can everyone say cylinder? Go ahead, repeat after me. Cylinder. Cylinder. Good job, my friends. You guys are doing so good. I'm so proud of you. And I have another goodie for you. Whew. Ooh, what are those? With all this hard work we've been doing and this long walk we went out today to discover all the shapes we can find and look at all the beautiful trees that are growing for the spring, it kind of made me want to have a snack. This is something my kids wanted to have. So what we do is we're gonna put these cookies together and we're gonna get some milk and we're gonna have a snack with our cookies. Okay? I hope you guys can tell your parents for a snack after this video, okay? Because you deserve a snack for being such great listeners and for doing your best. All right. I'll see you guys next time, okay? I hope you guys are doing very good and behaving yourselves, okay? Make sure you wash your hands, okay? I miss you guys so much and I cannot wait to see your beautiful faces, okay? I'm gonna eat my cookies now. I hope you guys can enjoy eating your cookies too, okay? All right. Have a good day. I'll see you next video. Bye.